Beneath our feet lies a hidden world, quiet, tireless, and absolutely essential to life on Earth. Earthworms, they are the unsung engineers of healthy soil, and if you know how to invite them in, they will transform your garden beyond recognition. Earthworms don't just live in soil, they build it. As they tunnel, they aerate the ground, allowing oxygen and water to reach plant roots. As they feed, they turn organic waste into castings, one of the richest natural fertilizers known to gardeners. So if your soil feels lifeless, compacted, or stubbornly unproductive, it's not missing fertilizer, it's missing worms. If you want to attract worms, really attract them, there is one rule above all others: feed the soil, not the plants. Worms feed from the surface downward. When organic material sits on top of the soil, moisture and microbes move in, and worms soon follow. Apply a 5 to 10 centimeter layer of organic mulch, dry leaves, straw, grass clippings, thin layers only. Finish compost, shredded cardboard or newspaper. This creates a cool, moist, protected environment, exactly what worms are searching for. Earthworms breathe through their skin. If the soil dries out, they leave. Or, well, they die. Your soil should feel like a wrung-out sponge, not muddy, and definitely not dusty. Mulch helps retain moisture, but during dry periods, deep watering is essential. Water slowly, and let it really soak down. This keeps the worm zone alive and active. If you dig constantly, worms disappear. If you use chemical fertilizers, worms suffer. And if you spray pesticides, worms die. Worms thrive in undisturbed soil, so instead of digging, add compost on top and let worms pull it down naturally. Allow soil structure to build itself. This is exactly how nature has done it for millions of years. Some materials are just irresistible to worms. The most powerful worm attractors include aged manure, never fresh, coffee grounds, chopped banana peels, pumpkin and melon scraps, and leaf mold. Bury these lightly or place them under mulch. Within just a few days, worms will gather in astonishing numbers. You know, worms don't just eat dead material, they actually feed on microorganisms that are attracted to living roots. Now, some plants that really encourage worm activity include clover, comfrey, alfalfa, ryegrass, and deep-rooted vegetables. One thing to keep in mind is the bare soil is lifeless soil. Living roots help keep the underground ecosystem alive all year round. When worms return, everything changes. Your soil becomes darker, looser, more fragrant. Water drains better, yet, it stays longer too. Plants grow stronger without added fertilizer. This is not coincidence. It is biology doing what it does best. Dig a small hole about the size of a dinner plate. If you see 10 or more worms, your soil is alive. If you see none, well, it's time to act. Worms do not arrive overnight. But when conditions are right, they multiply rapidly. Give them food, give them moisture, give them peace, and they will work endlessly, day and night, improving your soil for free. You don't need expensive fertilizers, you don't need complicated systems. Do this. Feed the soil, protect it, respect it, and the worms will come.